Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pida ka orange nisan, lom so po niya fabricate shillong.
Haka pratarek mentawna yayong arajar arpo. Hadian balawan jurep yaki jaka sumar jong ka Sorkar na rilom jantia u Menteri Sorkar kani ke jala Meghalaya. Bakmi yakatnat ka koi kakya uba Ïaleh rengkat u director jong kani katnat u Dr. Ewar kila shong jelang ru has civil hospital Shillong banyamer jimut halor kimat ki bedai hi bat kajingile Pyrshah yau knyang jingpang COVID-19. Habakran hakinong patai kubor hadian kani ke jelang uba Ïaleh ulapan pau ye jing snghon banyo I dala ki jong kikmat ba baro ki hospital Sorkar ki ba Khreh haki district paperoper kila long ki balapan Khreh banyile Pyrshah yau knyang jingpang coronavirus. Nakalyang uni Menteri Sorkar kumjo na director katnat ka koi kakya u Dr. Amanwar kila airu ka jing nyero ye ki nong trei haki hospital ki batrei haki kamba peroper kantop na du ki doctor ki nurse bat ki wedi ki nong irap ki bala trei met bat mansiem da ka mansiem bashirham ki balapan Khreh banyile Pyrshah yau knyang jingpang COVID-19.
Just short while ago we had our discussion with a frontline leader who is going to combat the COVID-19 in our states. They are working very hard. They have been working overtime since the time we have been made the lockdown in our states and on whole country. Every health workers, especially the doctors, they have been working very, very hard to combat with the COVID-19. No single case is positive. Till today, we have already tested 111, all found to be negative. We had started from beginning only. We have taken precautionary. We have taken precaution. We will not, this is a precaution. We will not allow anybody to enter in to Meghalaya without screening.
For the past so many days since this pandemic started, and we are fortunate, we are blessed in so many ways that till date we do not have a positive case in the state. We have visited many places. We have accompanied the Honorable Minister who has taken pains and who has taken a very, very keen interest that the health of the populace is first and foremost. And for that, we have already visited Nongstoin Civil Hospital, along with the district administration, along with the Deputy Commissioner, the SP, the DMNHO, the local MLA, local MDC of Nongstoin, and we have seen with our own eyes the commitment, the dedication, and the sincerity of all concerned to prevent this infection coming into the state. Thereafter, we have visited Mairang 100-bedded hospital, and here too with the subdivisional administration, the SDO civil, the superintendent of Mairang Civil Hospital, the DMNHO, and the preparedness of the hospital and ancillary staff is highly commendable. Today we had visited Jaintia Hills, Jowai and Khreh, and here too we have seen with our own eyes that the hospitals and other centers earmarked for admission, for treatment, for quarantine, and as a whole for management of such patients is up to the mark, and we are very, very hopeful that this particular infection will not be able to enter that region too. But if it does so, GUI is also prepared for the welfare of the people of the state, especially here now in Shillong, where we have a maximum number of people from outside the state who have visited, and we anticipate and speculate that a surge, if it happens, it may happen here. We have come here to civil hospital, and the preparation from civil hospital to accommodate, to react, and to provide treatment to any type of patient suffering from this infectious disease, COVID-19, I think is far than commendable. It is tremendous, and we are very, very happy to see the doctors here in full gear, in full swing, with all confidence and with the necessary direction and leadership of the Honorable Minister. They have taken decisions to manage the cases in such a manner that will provide confidence to the populace as a whole.